Are you surrounded by many friends? Listen up. Prophet Muhammad clearly said that a person is on the deen of their friends. So if you're surrounded by many people you call friends, understand their deen, understand their habits, understand where they're leading to. If the friend circle you are in makes you miss the salah or makes you miss the whole purpose of your very existence in this dunya, this is not the good circle. If the circle you're surrounded with is focused on deen, is the focus on the liability or the obligations of your deen, then this is the best place to be in. This is the best circle to be in. Are they in the business of making you a leader or guiding you towards the right path? Or they're actually leading you towards the disaster of your life as a Muslim? Are they the believing friends or they're the non-believers? So you have to differentiate between circles that you actually spend your time in. If you don't do that, then you will be on the deen of your circle. And imagine if the deen of that circle is just chilling and not doing anything for the sake of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Versus imagine the deen of that circle is seeking Allah's pleasure in every aspect of your life and leading a life that it actually leads you towards that Sirat Mustaqim that Surah Fatiha talks about. Think about this and choose your circle wisely.